All right, guys. So I got home. It's been so long, I think over an hour that I've just been home, and I started preparing my risotto ingredients because I was on the phone with Babe. So, anyways, I just wanted to finalize this, show you guys what I got. So I've been looking for like these like brown, beige, brown. Looks gray now, but it's brown, guys. Trust me, it's brown. Brown mats for our bathroom because we have brown towels. I got green mats the last time. I've been looking for brown. I've got the brown ones. So I got these at IKEA. You guys saw when I was at IKEA. So I got 4 of them because we have 2 basins, 2 sinks. So 2 mats for each, 1 mat for each sink, 1 mat for the shower door, and 1 mat for the toilet. So 4 of these. And I got, so guys, I had 3 pot plants, different kinds, right? These like hanging ones. So I was taking from the displays, like from the display, like the showrooms. When I'm scanning the guy, so it doesn't, obviously there's no barcode, and I'm showing the guy, I'm like, hey, can you help? He's like, you can't buy these because these are from display. I'm like, yo, sana. But anyways, I just took one because I wasn't going to go back and look for that. So they sell it separate. This is separate, this is separate. I'm like, IKEA, this thing, all this at Target and all these other places, just buy for one price. And then I got a wok because I want to be making fried rice at home. So I got this tiny wok for myself. And that's it, honestly. I can't believe I spent so long out. And then obviously I bought groceries. So yeah, guys, let me go. My onions sound like they're burning. And we don't want to burn the onions. Oh my word! Okay, they're not burning. Guys, I'm making risotto. So my stock is this side. You guys can see the stock. I'm letting it simmer. It's on low. And maybe I'll just make it low on the other side. And then I'm just, making the rest. So yes, guys, thank you for coming along with me to my unsuccessful furniture shopping day. I'm hoping that I'll be able to actually take you guys along during the week. I told Babe on the day that I'm fetching him from the airport, I'll actually still go because I said I'll go to work at around 10, 11, 12 because he lands at 8 p.m. so that I can finish work at like 8:30 if I start at 12. But now I'm actually thinking, let me go early, normal time, so that I can be done by 4 or 5. And I can then go shopping that side because obviously we live on the north side and the airport is like DFW. So we are in like Dallas side, like Dallas North. So yeah, guys. So anyways, I am going to finish cooking now. Thank you guys. I'll take you guys along on, actually I'm going to finish the other video unboxing the Amazon and the Temu order that arrived today. And I'm hoping to actually build the shoe the shoe storage because I built the other thing myself, so I think I can build this as well. It's not that difficult, honestly. There's instructions. So, and I'm a woman, I can do anything I put my mind to. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to preach about that now. Let me cook my food before it burns. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for being with me today. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like, why haven't you? And you know, that like button is sharing. It really goes a long way because it shows YouTube that you guys like my content, you like my videos. So it can show it to other people that can join the family. My onions are burning. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.